I'm Heidi Bennett. I'm Chief Exec of BAVO, Bridgend Association of Voluntary Organisations. We're the County Voluntary Council for Bridgend County Borough, and we provide advice, guidance, support to third sector organisations, so community and voluntary groups and not-for-profits in the area. The aim of the project is to strengthen community organisations so they are better equipped to deliver for local needs, local benefit, strengthen what they're doing and sustain their services and to grow and to flourish, really.
We're able to turn to them for advice, we're able to get support from them.
Without that support, we'd find it difficult to finance ourselves.
They're just invaluable, really, and always, on the end of the phone if we need them.
The shared prosperity funding has enabled us to really extend, expand and enhance our training programme. We're able to have more hours to support community organisations that might need one-to-one tailored hand-holding through particular issues. And we've also doubled our training programme, not just the normal roles and responsibilities of trustees, which is very important, things like trauma-informed practice and mental health training, really in-depth, detailed training opportunities for the community and voluntary sector, which otherwise they probably wouldn't be able to afford in terms of time or money.
The organisation couldn't afford to fund these courses and it'd take away from the activities for our members.
So being able to access training that is at a majorly reduced cost, essentially, is really important for us, because as a charity you don't always have that in funding and things like that, and you've got to find that money yourself.
We've also run things like fund affairs so that groups can meet with funders directly, talk about their projects, get some advice from the funders that they may be applying to, really strengthen that level of investment that they can achieve into their programmes of work. Part of the work that we do is ensure that those organisations are fit for funding in the first place, so they have their policies in place, their procedures in place, and they're competent in running those organisations, because that always strengthens the bids for funding that they put in. We do a lot of work around networks and forums that bring the sector together, and they're able to share good practice, they're able to collaborate, work to their strengths and minimise duplication where necessary.
It's always nice as well to meet other people in Bridgend doing sort of similar work, because that's where the greatest collaboration comes from, really.
That sharing of knowledge is really important, and we want to have a stronger, better connected community sector so that they can contribute to longer term community resilience as well and continue to thrive and grow beyond the shared prosperity funding project. One of the best examples of innovation, I think, that we've been able to achieve through shared prosperity funding is our volunteer passport scheme. It's something that's been on our minds for a while, but we've never had the investment in order to pilot it. So the shared prosperity funding allowed us to do that, which offers a basic level of volunteer training, and that equips volunteers to go straight into a volunteering involving organisation so they can work faster. The difference this funding has made is that it's enabled us to extend our offer. We've been able to deliver more training. We've reached more people. We've offered more tailored one-to-one support to groups. Lots of different challenges coming through for community groups, but we're able to put staff in to handhold them through those problems. We don't want things that are here today, gone tomorrow. People need stability. They need activities and opportunities in their communities that are long-lasting. So from my perspective, this shared prosperity funding has really gone some way to ensure that.
Well, you carry on, sir.